Hello, my dear student. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the book exercise of the chapter Returning Home, and it is the class 7. Okay, so let's start the video and try to solve the book exercise of this chapter. Okay, and you can see the image of the chapter and the name of the chapter Returning Home. Okay, so here is the exercise number A. You can see at your mobile screen. Match the groups of words. Make meaningful sentences about the story. Okay, so you can see here is the given two column number A and column number B. Okay, and make it a group of word to make a meaningful sentence. Okay, half group of word is in column A and a half group of word in column B. So match it. So you can see young uncle planned a trip. Young uncle planned a trip. It is match with the option number this. It means young uncle planned a trip to his village in the cool season. Okay, when he make a plan, he made a plan in the cool season. Okay, now second is there was plenty to see. Okay, plenty to see. There was a plenty to see. So this match with the option number one. You have to complete the word by using the column B group of word. The sentence will be there was plenty. There was plenty to see and hear about in the village. Okay, now second is the children. Third is the children wanted to go. Okay, so here is the wish of the children. So you can look here, but their mother would not let them. Okay, so you have to match the children wanted to go but their mother would not let them. Okay, so match it with the correct column. And now option number D, the children were very upset. The children were very upset. So you have to match it with the this option. It means and sad with long faces. Okay, the children were very upset and sad with long faces. And next is then young uncle offered to bring. What he offered that then young uncle offered what they wanted from the village. Okay, what they wanted from the village. And now option number F, the children cheered up. Okay, the children cheered up and asked for mangoes from the village. Okay, and next is all of them felt that mangoes. Okay, you have to match it with the option number 4, from the village were the best. Okay, now here is the exercise number B. Tick the correct option, and the statement is the young uncle had spent some time as a schoolboy. And which is the correct option? You can see at the 4 option on your mobile screen. In his brother's house, in a city, in his ancestral village in Nilgiri. So which is the correct option? So you have to tick option number B. Young uncle had spent some time as a schoolboy in his ancestral village. That's clear. Now next is statement number 2. Yusuf requested young uncle to visit the Nilgiri National Sanctuary because. So you can see here is the 4 option. So right option will be the option number D. It was close to uncle's ancestral village. Okay, it was close to uncle's ancestral village. That's clear. Now next exercise number E. And come on, here is the sum of the words, hard words. You have to see here. uh, Memorable. Okay, memorable means worth remembering. And cloud, raised it means moved away. Exploits means interesting adventures. Legendary means popular. Hair rising means frightening. Lucius and ambrosial means delicious. Ponderate means thought deeply. Impressively means in commanding tone. Okay, now next is question answer. So you have to see some of the question that given in option number E. Write the answer, and you can see here is the question. I also write the question and answer. So first is, why were the children disappointed? Why were the children disappointed? The option is answer is, the children were disappointed because their mother did not allow them to accompany young uncle to their ancestral village to visit uncle. Okay, so I think you write down uh, its answer. Now next is, it means question number 2. What did Yusuf want to young uncle to do? Okay, what did Yusuf want young uncle to do? So here is the answer. Young uncle Young uncle's friend Yusuf was worried about the Nilgiri National Sanctuary. The forest rangers he had appointed to look after it were leaving after a week without telling him why. Okay, so Yusuf uncle wanted the region and to go there. And next is question number 3. What gift young uncle promise to bring back? Do you think he got all the gift he promised to bring back? So here the answer is, young uncle promised bring back mangoes for the older children and hair from the tiger's tail for the baby from the village. Okay, so next is exercise number F. Find and circle 7 words in this word search that describe how we speak. Okay, so first you can see here bubble. Bubble is a sound that we have to use in a speak. And next you have to circle the word mumble. Okay, mumble. And next will be chatter. Okay, and next here is the grumble. Okay, grumble. And next whisper and chant. And last is exclaim. So you can see here is the first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6. Okay, we have to use 6 and 7 type of the words we have to speak. So do it in your textbook. Now next is exercise number G. Okay, put a tick in the appropriate box to make phrasal verb. Okay, so you have to see some of the words like upon, on, in, with, over, of, etc. are the word use here, and you can see here is the verb, and we use some of the word with a verb and make its combined verb. Okay, so we can use the upon with the agree, and then you have to tick here, and agree upon, agree on, agree with. Okay, and rest is leave it. Okay, don't tick it. And now second is walk. Okay, so we have to not use the upon word with the walk, and you have to use walk on, walk in, walk with, walk over, and walk off. Okay, now third verb is come, and you have to use to make a phrasal, uh, come upon, come on, come in, come with, come over, and come off. Okay, all the option will used with the come and make it a phrasal verb. Okay, now fourth is meet. So you have to use on with the meet, meet on. Okay, meet with, and rest of the leave the sentences. Now next is read this paragraph. Does it sound odd? Why and how can you improve it? So you have to write down here. Grandfather asked Hedy if, in place of Hedy you have to write down she. Okay, she wanted to go with Peter and his flock of the goats. Okay, and again in place of Hedy you have to write down she jumped with the joy. Grandfather asked Hedy, in place of Hedy you have to write down her. Okay, her to wash and make himself. In the next, in place of the Hedy you have to write down uh, herself, herself. That's clear. And here is the grandfather, so in place of grandfather you have to write down he. Okay, he pointed to a large tub full of water. Hedy ran to the tub of water. In place of tub of water you have to write down it. Okay, it. Hedy, in place of Hedy you have to write down again she. Okay, she began uh, saplossing and rubbing till Hedy. In place of Hedy you have to write down she. She felt clean. Grandfather had also left a towel for in place of Hedy you have to write down her. Okay, her near the tub. I think you all understand it. So come on the next video. Next exercise number I. This is conversation between a king and a minister. In each lines, tick the noun that the pronoun in a bold referred to. Okay, so here is the sentence. Everyone says you are a mind reader. Okay, so you can use you in a minister. Okay, everyone says minister are a mind reader. Okay, so take the minister word. And second is but you wouldn't show me how you do it, said the king. So here is the but you wouldn't show me, as the me word used for the king, so tick the king word. Okay, I truly cannot read minds, said the minister. And here is the I word used for the minister. Okay, I word used for the minister, so tick the minister word. Fourth is he knew the king did not believe him. Okay, and here is the he word used for the minister. So you have to tick the minister word. How can I convince him? The minister thought. So him word used for the king. So you have to use the tick the king. And now six is I don't believe him. The king thought. So here is the him word used for the minister. So you have to tick the option number second minister. And last is I will trick him into solving me. And here is the me word used for the king. So you have to tick it. Next is exercise number J. Sarita wrote about her feeling in her diary after her mother did not permit her and Ravi to accompany young uncle to the village to meet the ancient uncle. Complete the entry by filling in the missing word. So you can see here is the format of the diary. So you have to use some of the word to complete this diary. Like 20 June 2019. How, oh, how I wish Ravi and I. Okay, you have to fill the I word in the blanks, in the beginning of the blanks. Could go with young uncle to the village. Okay, village. I thought mother would permit us. I am really disappointed. Okay, disappointed. We could have made ancient uncle. Okay, and spend time with both ancient uncle and young uncle. I am sure we would have had lot of fun. Okay, fun. Ancient uncle had horses and cow on the farm. F Okay, farm farm. Mother says we can't miss school. Will she allow us to go to the village in the summer season, summer vacation? Okay, maybe mother and father can come with us. So I think you have to complete your book exercise. So we have to meet in the next video. So thank you for the watching video and complete your book exercise.